So for the past 5 years, we have been doing a program called Santa's Workshop. And what that is over the years, we've always had a lot of women. We had a Santa's wish list or registry that they could come and put things on for their families to, come in and maybe get them for Christmas presents. And the family members would never come in, right? They don't know this sewing basket. They don't know these ladies. I'm not walking into some place I don't know. So it was hard for us, or if they would walk in, we didn't really know what the person wanted because they hadn't filled out a wish list. So we came up with this program 5 years ago. And what it is we put together like a presentation, about an hour-long presentation. And we talk about different products and different classes and gizmos and gadgets and all different sorts of things. And then they could fill out their wish list, and we actually hard mail it directly to your family members. The first year we thought, well, we'll just see if they have fun with this. And by the end of the first year, it was literally the husbands, the sons, literally, you are going to do this every year, right? They were thrilled to get a piece of paper in their hands listing exactly what their wife wanted or their mother wanted for Christmas. They didn't have to pick a color. They didn't have to pick a size. They had a list. So we've continued this every year. Obviously, 2020 is a little different because we're under shutdown for various stages. And so this year we're going to do the old school, still have a Christmas wish list, but we're going to keep it new school with a virtual event. Next week, Wednesday at 6:30 is going to be our Santa's Workshop program. If you go to our website, which is www.sewingbasket.biz, and at the top of the page, we've just added, next to the shopping tab is now a tab called Santa. And so any information leading up to next week will be posted there.